Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to connect social media to your Shopify. To connect social media to your Shopify store, go to your Shopify admin, click on settings, then navigate to app and sales channel. Then from there, choose the platform you want to connect like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest, even Google. You'll be prompted to install the relevant sales channel app such as Facebook, Instagram by Shopify. After installation, log in with your social media account, grant the necessary permission, and link your business profile or page. Shopify will guide you through the syncing your product catalog so your social media followers can view or buy directly from posts or ads. The integration allows you to run ads, tag product in post, and create a seamless shopping experience across platform. For example, Instagram shopping lets users tap on product in your post and buy without leaving the app. Facebook Shop allows you to create a minimum storefront by connecting social account promptly. You can make your product discoverable where your customers are already spending their times posting traffic and conversion, and that's it.